Assalamu alaikum guys. How are you all? Hope all of you doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now I am standing on our open field, on our school field. As you can see, behind of me, some players are playing volleyball, which is most popular game in our country. They are playing volleyball and some of them are good players, some of them are not, but they are playing for enjoy. Okay guys, as you can see, they are playing over there behind of me. As you can see, but at the side there is a goal post which is for set for football. This is a football court and some player play football who are prefer to play football. If you want to play, you can come and contact with our any member of this field. But this is the most enjoyable things guys. Most of the villagers are prefer to play open field, and after that they will be a national player one day. So pray for our player, and thanks for watching my videos. Assalamu alaikum.